and we'll take one more ride. Doors open. Good morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Jake from Escalators, Travel Letters and Lives UK, and welcome to Hit the Button, which is made by Topmarks. We use sync Windows laptops and computers with this. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. The first one is on a Dell Inspiron 1720 with Windows Vista Home Premium. Now ignore what's going wrong with the mouse, it's just how it's a long time ago and we're doing 10 times table on both of them. So yeah, without further ado, here we go. So with the mouse being wrong with it, it's 18 out of 18. So it's okay, it's a perfect score. Now to Windows 7 Home Premium, which is on a HP Pavilion. I decided to choose 2 by the mistakable button. Oh no, let's do 8. Split second of hearing it, and it's 24 out of 24. Okay, now to Windows 10 and with the Acer Aspire F5571, if I can get the password correct. Because I have one question wrong, I did my first attempt. So moving on to a second attempt. With 26 out of 27 on the first one, let's see what the second attempt will do. Okay, 23 out of 23. Not a perfect, it's okay, but still excellent. But with Windows 11, which is on the Lenovo IdeaPad 3, let's see if I did great or not. Probably that. Now the mouse is a bit slower, but that is because it's plugged in. But yeah, without it plugged in, it's better with the mouse. Anyway, without further ado, here we go. Okay, excellent score, 25 out of 25. Now, just to make a quick comparison, I did all of it without filming, so here's the Windows Vista Home Premium being as 14 out of 14, excuse me. Then 25 out of 25 on the Windows 7 Home Premium one. Then 28 out of 28 on Windows 10. Then on Windows 11, I did it all with unplugged. It's 30 out of 30. So very clever score, and I love Hit the Button. Excellent game. If you haven't visited it, I'll recommend it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you do like Hit the Button, let me know down in the comments, and please subscribe for more videos, plus computers I do. And there is a video coming up for the Lakeside one. That's going to be coming up very soon. For anyone who know, Windows Vista is on screensaver. But yeah, apart from Hit the Button, thank you for watching. It's been absolutely appreciated. As doing just 10 times tables. You can also do more than that. You can also do halves and then doubles, and do all these or extra stuff. So yeah, apart from, yeah, so thank you all for watching. Thanks for watching, everyone. As I say, my name is Drake. This is Escalators, Travel Letters and Lifts UK, and I'll catch you in the next one. Back down 0. And it there. Door close button works. I like that.